Two cars. Same 0 to 60 time. On paper, they look identical. But once they hit the highway, one completely pulls away. So here's the question. Do 0 to 60 numbers really tell the whole story? 0 to 60 measures how fast a car accelerates from a complete stop. It focuses on the first few seconds of acceleration. And in those first seconds, traction matters more than power. If the tires can't grip the road, all that horsepower is wasted. Without grip, even huge horsepower numbers become completely useless. That's exactly why all-wheel drive dominates launch statistics. But once the car is already moving, everything changes dramatically. Watch closely as the driver shifts into first gear. The engine roars, torque pushing the car forward. RPM climbs quickly toward the red line. Shifting to second gear now, smooth and fast. Horsepower starts taking over from initial torque. Third gear engages, acceleration continues seamlessly. The tachometer climbs, engine working in perfect rhythm. Fourth gear brings speed higher, power still consistent. Every shift maximizes the engine's potential efficiently. This is how gears and RPM deliver real driving performance. 1. The engine roars as first gear engages, torque pushing the car forward. 2. RPM climbs steadily, needle approaching the red line. 3. Smooth shift to second gear, speed building effortlessly. 4. Horsepower takes over as acceleration continues. 5. Third gear engages, the car glides forward, momentum rising. 6. Tachometer climbs higher, engine humming in perfect rhythm. 7. Fourth gear brings speed up, every shift seamless. 8. The road stretches ahead, power flowing through each gear. 9. Acceleration remains strong, the car eating up distance. 10. RPM peaks as the engine delivers full performance, smooth and relentless. The car glides along the open highway, speed holding steady. Horsepower maintains acceleration, the road flying by. Torque fades slightly as RPM rises, engine singing. Every gear change flows naturally, smooth and precise. Wind brushes past mirrors, the tires gripping consistently. The dashboard glows as the speed climbs higher. Momentum builds, energy sustained across each gear. The engine hums a constant, controlled roar. Speed climbs past 100 miles per hour, the car balanced and poised. Power delivery remains flawless, every component in sync. The diesel truck lumbers forward, torque dominating at low RPM. Its wheels push hard, pulling heavy weight effortlessly. The sports car waits, engine revving high, light and eager. RPM rises quickly, torque building toward the red line. Diesel power feels relentless at the start, steady and strong. Gasoline power grows as RPM climbs, thrilling and high-pitched. Each vehicle has a unique rhythm and feel. Torque and horsepower balance differently in each engine. Acceleration curves show strength in contrasting ways. Both feel powerful, but the experience is unmistakably different. The EV launches instantly, torque available from 0 RPM. Wheels bite hard, car surging without delay. Silence surrounds, only a smooth hum from the motor. Acceleration is immediate, relentless from the start. Every shift of power feels instantaneous and controlled. RPM climbs instantly, no lag, just pure force. The car surges forward, the road disappearing beneath. Momentum never falters, energy delivered perfectly. Speed rises quickly, instant performance felt in every fiber. Electric torque dominates the launch, unstoppable from 0. The car accelerates smoothly to overtake on the highway. Torque pushes it out of the slipstream, powerful yet controlled. Horsepower sustains the acceleration, speed climbing steadily. RPM rises, engine notes singing through each gear. The road stretches, curves appearing and disappearing. G-forces push lightly as the car changes lanes. Speed remains stable, motion flowing naturally. Acceleration keeps building, no loss of energy. Every gear change harmonizes with the engine's rhythm. Passing is effortless, power delivered exactly when needed. The engine screams, RPM needle climbing toward redline. Every gear change feels like a perfect push of force. The car accelerates, speed climbing rapidly, thrilling. Horsepower dominates now, torque already applied earlier. Wind rushes past, tires gripping the road tightly. Acceleration peaks, every component in harmony. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more speed, power, and car action. See you on the next journey.